pick up. Hey, oh, you're in that meeting again? That's fine, I'll be quick. I was just thinking, can you imagine if bitching burned calories? I'd be a size 2 in no time. Hello? I've been debating on whether or not to keep this light on or off. Off, better lighting. On, cozier. It's just a lamp. Alright guys, we've got a Dollar Tree haul today. I think at the end of this, if it all works out, sometimes the basket ideas that I have, sometimes they just don't end up working out. But anyways, I thought it would be cute to do like an iced tea gift thing. So let's just dive into this haul and then we'll both see kind of what happens with this gift basket at the end. Alright, so I haven't even sorted through any of this. I actually do have quite a bit of like food items for this video. I found some new like granola clusters and I actually love these. Sometimes I get them at the grocery store and I've never seen these before at Dollar Tree, so these are definitely brand new. It's by Sunbest Natural. I've never seen this brand. I get something else, I don't know what it is, but this has almonds and raisins in it. And it's also organic or made with organic coconut oil, healthy benefits. It has no artificial flavors, no added colors, good source of fiber. So really good stuff here. But yeah, so this one has the raisins in it. This one looks like a honey one, and then this one is a peanut butter one. So pretty awesome. If you've tried this brand before, comment below and let us know like your thoughts. Obviously everyone has like different taste buds, but I'm very excited to try these out for myself and see what I think. And yeah, so new $1 at Dollar Tree. Obviously, I picked up some Lipton iced tea. This is the lemon flavor. As soon as I saw this, it's kind of what stemmed me to want to do this gift basket idea. And I've been talking about doing like a drink themed. So let's try it out today, see how well it works. This was $1. And yeah, I think it'll be cute in the basket. Also, I picked up some lemon items. These are the Limo lunch sandwich cookies. So this is that part where, you know, kind of work with me here on this gift basket because it's not actually a basket. I'm actually gonna put the items inside of this container here. Also from Dollar Tree. They come with a blue lid as well, but I wanted just like the plain white. And so I thought it would be cute, you know, to like put this in there, you know, a lemon in there. And yeah, you can just honestly leave it at that. But I thought, why don't I also add some cookies to kind of go along with the tea? So that's basically why I got these. So we've got those. We've got this for $1 as well. And I also found these, which are new. I've never seen these cream-filled wafers with lemon at Dollar Tree. It's usually like the dark chocolate or the hazelnut brand. So the lemon one in this container with the yellow, brand new. So, and I'm really excited to try these. I actually don't have anyone in mind for this, so I'm just like putting it together, but I will be trying these. So super exciting. And because I wanted it to be like this whole drink theme, I got this box of Domino sugar, you know, just to sweeten the tea. Obviously, if you know who you're gifting to and if you know their sugar preferences, you can just get that type. But I really like this because I like, you know, the whole yellow thing that's going on. So I think lemon theme with the lemon iced tea. That's kind of what I was going for. And I don't think I've ever seen tea boxes this big at Dollar Tree. So if my memory serves me correctly, these are also new. They've done teas before in a box form, but these are pretty gigantic for $1. So we've got the all natural tea here, which you can do hot or cold. And you get 100 tea bags. What? I definitely feel like this is new. And then we've got the green tea, which is interesting because I was just thinking to myself the other day that I actually wanted to start drinking green tea every day. I read about like the crazy benefits to this, and so I've been wanting to start this. And I saw this at Dollar Tree and I said, okay. I mean, is green tea just green tea? Comment down below, let me know if different brands really matter or what your thoughts are. If you feel like brand stuff does matter. In terms of benefits, maybe taste could be different, but let me know what you guys think I should be trying out. So anyways, the fact that there's 100 tea bags in both of these is crazy for $1. So that's exciting. And then I decided to get some more candy. I don't know what's honestly gonna end up in here because, you know, we're limited on space. So I just decided to pick this up just in case it kind of like works out. But these are just sugar-free lemon flavored candies. And super cute. I knew I wanted these in this basket. As a matter of fact, when I saw this, I instantly remembered Dollar Tree had these. I actually have one for myself in my kitchen, but I wanted to just, you know, use a new one and put it in here. And I got it in both the yellow and green. I think they also have this in red. I don't know if I'm gonna use both of them or one of them, but this would be cute, you know, just to like squeeze like the real lemon. So we've got that. And then I picked up this item right here, which I just chuckled for a good 5 minutes in Dollar Tree when I saw this, because I was like, is this the knockoff version of goldfish? And was this as creative as they could get? Whales? I don't know, maybe this isn't like a knockoff version at all, but obviously it's like cheddar little cookies. I don't think it's the same maker as goldfish, but whales. just whales, just nothing else. No, not gold whales, maybe they couldn't do that, but baked cheese crackers. I don't know how good they are, but I found it absolutely hilarious. And there you go. The box is really cute. So we've got that one. All right, then I found this coconut and lime candle set by the brand at Dollar Tree. This is the brand, it's called Luminescence. They've actually come out with some really great things. Another brand at Dollar Tree that's been turning around new products a lot lately. And I have been, this summer of 2021, you guys, I've just been on this coconut lime kick like none other. And it smells just like the Tree Hut products I've been using. Just like it. It's insane. Maybe coconut and lime as a scent is really easy to do. I don't know, but I found it in this little candle form. Kind of looks like a mini Yankee candle. So cute. And then I also got it in this plain candle. I also have it in the wax melt, but as I was sorting and, you know, putting my bags for each day that I film, I think it's in another bag. So whenever we see it in the next haul, then you'll know that they also have the wax melts too. So super cute. I also decided to get some bubbles for my niece. She absolutely loves them, so I got this little 3-pack. But you get the 3 different bottles, and then each little package has its little wand to make your bubbles with. So I got those. And then this one right here, you've got to go to Dollar Tree and scoop this one up, because I've never seen such a thing. But they are soda pop scented bubbles. So not only is the container looking like a soda pop, but they're supposed to also smell like it. And I don't want to try it because, you know, I'm saving it for my niece, but how cute. So you got like cherry, grape, and orange. So curious to know if it's actually gonna smell like that or not, but this is darling, and I don't think this was around in 2020. But it could have been, because I don't think I was paying too much close attention to their summer stuff last year. But anyways, super cute, love it. Probably need to go back and honestly get another bottle of these, because I've noticed that they're starting to put away all of the summer stuff, because they're using that space to put in the school supplies. So I'm gonna go back and get some more. And then I got her this little sand toy kit just to like play around with. The handles are so well done, you guys. There's like a good grip here. And then the little stars and the circles, you can like feel it. It's like a little pop-up. It's just so nice and cute. This I know is new. I just do not remember my stores carrying it last year. And you get the little rake and the shovel. So we got those. And then finally back in stock at my stores are these multi-use labels by Jot. You can see that you get 3 to a sheet and you get 72. So 72 divided by 3 is how many sheets you get. But I love these. I use these for my novel projects, you know, just like my novel inventory. You know what? I'll show you my log. All right, so I actually have it in 2 different formats. I have a binder form, and then this is my latest form, which they're just like individual note cards. And this is by far my favorite. I have videos on this on my vlog channel, by the way. So this little container holds 1 author, and that's Julie Garwood. And all of this is Dollar Tree, with the exception of the washi. So like, you can see that it's a little note card or a little flash card. And then the colorful part is also Dollar Tree, and these are the labels I just showed you guys. So yeah, that's the cover of the book. And then these are also Dollar Tree, and it's just how I mark whether I own it or not. And then the title, and then this is blank because I haven't gone through this yet, but once I read a book, I will go back and kind of rate the characters and the overall book. I do this because I will reread over and over. And sometimes what I've learned is that I like to, sometimes I'm in the mood to read like a certain style of character, if that makes sense. So that's why I do this, to help me to remember, because I have so many novels. So that's how I used Dollar Tree products there. I will go through my vlog channel and find where I did this and try to link the videos down below. I think I did multiple different videos, but anyways, the last things before we get into the gift basket are these sunglass clip holders. And I found them in so many different colors. So I grabbed them all so that you guys could see. Plain black one is perfection. Got this white one. And then all of these fun summer colors, the blue. But yeah, like just have a plain black one I really like, so I think that's chic. And then the fun colors, these would be great for a care package too. Oops, have that one upside down. So yeah, so you would just like clip this into a visor or just wherever, like I guess you want to clip this, and then you would slide your sunglasses, I guess, like this. You would put the band here, and there is a foam right there, so it's not going to do anything to the metal of your sunglasses, and it's just going to hold it nicely in place. Just from doing this, I feel like the quality's pretty good. But maybe be careful as you're slipping it on, like be careful with this part because of the plastic. I imagine it can't take on too much like weight pressure, so I mean, it's $1, so you know, watch out. All right, that's it for today's haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please give it a thumbs up. Let's get into this gift basket idea. You know what? I'm gonna post it even if I feel like it didn't quite work out, but just to give you guys an idea of how cute it would be to do a basket right this way. So that's it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Alright, so first, whenever I try to create any sort of care package or gift basket, I want to get all of the items out. Even if I know or don't know I'm going to use it in the end, I just want to be able to see all of the available options. So I have everything out here. Once I have all of the items together, I clear out the area so that it doesn't kind of confuse me, because I'm a visual person, so I just kind of have it in a different section. I don't know if that makes any sense. So the first one I did was really simple. I kept it to the sugar, to the squeezer, and to the packet of iced lemon tea. And I should have put in the real lemon here. I also had some like decorative lemons and then a real lemon, but I forgot to do that. And so that was the first option. Then I thought, let me add some of these little candies. I don't know if anyone actually adds candies to teas, but like, couldn't that kind of be something similar, because they could dissolve in hot tea kind of like honey? But I just thought to add the little candies, and they look really cute, brightened it up, made it, you know, a little bit more yellow. But this one's actually my favorite. I love just the pop of the decor piece. It just made it ultra summery and really cute, and then the lid just kind of sat back really easily. Really great way to just give a gift. Hope you guys enjoyed. That's it for today, and I'll see you next time.